Hello, I'm John, and welcome back to Dice Paper Miniatures. In this episode, we're going to look at the most recent announcement for the upcoming Horus Heresy for Warhammer 40k. Let's begin. So for those of you that are not familiar with this announcement, back at Adepticon, we had the Horus Heresy kind of cinematic trailer sneak peek, which was amazing. You can see my reaction to that with a link up in the right-hand corner. But yeah, very, very cool cinematographic trailer. And later on in a following article, they announced how every Thursday throughout the month of April, we'll get articles featuring another new kind of exclusive sneak peek for upcoming models from that Horus Heresy line. So it's Thursday, and here we are. Let's check it out. So to begin with, we have a new trailer. Now this article is like exclusively all about the new Mark 6 or Beakie armored Space Marines. So let's see if I got that volume dialed in. I think I do. Let's go ahead and take a look at this this animated trailer. I dig these designs, man. These are so good. Right on. It's funny, these little trailers are kind of better than everything on Warhammer Plus lately. I don't understand how or why, but that's the state of things. With the exception of Astartes, yeah, these trailers for Horus Heresy are exceptional. Those look great. All right, so we have them here in still images as well. So let's take a look at these. I dig that this is definitely a throwback to the old Rogue Trader box where they had like the bayonets you could attach. I dig that for their bolters. It's a minor subtle thing, but I really like it. Especially, and I think we saw on the trailer, they had like the chain blade bayonet. I'm not seeing it in these stills. This, I guess, veteran captain or just veteran, I'm not sure which. Does it maybe say below? It probably says below. With the Romanesque style legionary plumes on his helmet. I dig that. The crest. Yeah, got to use my words. These look great. So the Tactical Squads has more than weapons to play with. The kit also includes optional war gear such as a Legion Vexilla. Okay, the fancy backpack banner. All right, and then the Nuncio Vox. Okay, very cool. So let's see if we can click in. All right, so that Nuncio Vox is the on the backpack on the Space Marine on the right. I dig that. That crest looks amazing. Yep, so they got an augury scanner, as well as packs of melta-bombs, frag grenades, and crack grenades. Back in the day, one of my best games was I had a lone Space Marine. I think it was with a frag grenade. He was in a Rhino. The Rhino got taken out. One Space Marine survived, but was surrounded by, I think it was a unit of Eldar. And that one Space Marine basically suicided, but took out like all the Eldar, and he still survived his save throw. So he survived his Rhino getting destroyed, a whole unit of Eldar. It was pretty epic. One of like, that was like 30 years ago, but such an such an awesome feel good moment that kept me going for a long time. Anyways, so longtime Warhammer fans will notice echoes of the original Space Marines kit. Yep, the legendary Rogue Trader Box 1, so released in 1987. That set was similarly full of posable Mark 6 Corvus armor. The Legionnaires in the new kit are larger, yep, more imposing, and less bow-legged. But they have the same versatility and the same option to strap a great big chain blade. There you go, yep, to the barrel of their gun for an extra dose of Marine-on-Marine ultra-violence. Yeah, so where is that? Yada yada about studs on their shoulder pads. Oh, it's a sergeant that had the crest. Okay, the transverse crest. Not a captain, not a veteran. Well, veteran sergeant, but yeah, so this Death Guard, I think that's Death Guard, on the left. that particular unit. That's that chain blade bayonet. I dig that. I don't know why, but probably again for nostalgia more than anything. I just thought that was a cool accessory when I was a kid, and I definitely like it on these new sprues. So, all right, that's it for the previews for Horus Heresy Thursday in April. What do you all think? I think they look amazing. Again, let's zoom in on this. There's that banner. There's that box. And then the transverse crest. Yeah, the bayonets. With all the little extra kit with the grenades, the pistols and their holsters, the studs on the shoulder pads. These look awesome. I really do think for me, while I don't play 9th edition 40K, I am playing Kill Team at the moment, and I think I'd like to work in some of these models into my Space Marine Kill Team group. Yeah, I think these are fantastic. But again, what do you all think? Are you excited as I am to have these Horus Heresy models? Whether or not you're even going to play Horus Heresy, I think they're just fantastic looking models for your existing 40K range. But yeah, comment below if you could. I'd love to get your thoughts on these. And that's it for this episode. If you enjoyed this content and you haven't yet, please consider subscribing and hitting that notification bell. It's right there below, as well as sharing this content. It greatly helps with the algorithm and the growth of this channel, and it's just vastly appreciated. All right, that's it for today. As always, be safe, take care, have a good one. I'll see you all again soon. Bye-bye.